Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Your number one stop for real auto education and repair knowledge. Today we're diving deep into a small but powerful component in every modern vehicle, the tire pressure sensor and its module. If you've ever seen that tire pressure light pop up on your dashboard and wondered what it really means, or why it keeps coming back even after inflating your tires, this video is for you. Why it's important. Many drivers underestimate how critical this system is. Let's break it down. 1. Safety. Low tire pressure increases stopping distance, reduces grip, and makes your car harder to control, especially at high speeds. 2. Fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which makes your engine burn more fuel. 3. Tire lifespan. Uneven pressure causes uneven wear, meaning you'll need new tires sooner. 4. Environmental impact. More fuel consumption means more emissions. So when that little tire light comes on, it's not just a suggestion, it's a warning that affects your safety, your wallet, and even the environment. How the system works. There are two main types of TPMS systems. 1. Direct TPMS. Uses pressure sensors mounted on each wheel. Sends real-time pressure data to the module via radio frequency. Accurate, but sensors can wear out over time. 2. Indirect TPMS. Uses ABS wheel speed sensors to detect when one tire spins faster, a sign of low pressure. Doesn't directly measure pressure, but estimates it. Both types work hand in hand with the TPMS module, which triggers that yellow warning light when pressure drops below the recommended level. Common faults and their symptoms. Now let's talk about the problems that most drivers face with tire sensors and modules. 1. Dead sensor battery. Each TPMS sensor has a small built-in battery that lasts about 5 to 10 years. When it dies, your system stops reading data. Symptom: TPMS light stays on or flashes for a few seconds after startup. 2. Damaged or corroded sensor valve. Road salt, moisture, and age can cause corrosion. Leads to air leaks and inaccurate readings. Symptom: constant pressure drop in one tire. 3. Sensor not communicating with module. Happens after tire rotation, replacement, or battery disconnection. Symptom: warning light after new tire installation. 4. Faulty TPMS module. The module itself may fail due to water damage or electrical fault. Symptom: no reading for any tire or random pressure alerts. 5. Wrong tire size or aftermarket rims. Indirect systems can misread pressure due to wheel size differences. Symptom: light turns on after changing rims or tires. Solutions and fixes. Here's how you can solve most TPMS problems like a pro. 1. Check tire pressure manually. Use a reliable gauge to ensure each tire matches the recommended PSI found on the driver's door frame or manual. 2. Reset the TPMS system. Most cars have a TPMS reset button. Press and hold it for a few seconds after inflating all tires. Some vehicles reset automatically after driving a few miles. 3. Replace faulty sensors. If one sensor battery dies, replace it. They usually cost between $30 and $80 per wheel. 4. Reprogram or relearn the sensors. After tire rotation or sensor replacement, your car may need a relearn procedure using a scan tool or by following your car's manual process. 5. Replace or reflash the module. If diagnostics confirm the TPMS module is faulty, it can be repaired or replaced by a technician. 6. Avoid cheap aftermarket sensors. Use OEM or high-quality replacements that match your car's frequency. And remember, after any tire service, always make sure your TPMS system is recalibrated. Prevention. Tips to avoid TPMS issues in the future. Check tire pressure at least once a month. Avoid hitting potholes or curbs. They can damage the sensor valves. Keep tire caps tight to prevent dirt from entering. Get sensors checked during tire changes or alignment. So the next time that little tire light comes on, don't ignore it. Your car is literally trying to protect you. If this video helped you understand how the tire sensor and module work, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who drives every day. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your wheels rolling smoothly. Thanks for watching.